Hey all, Trev here from Monthly Missions, and this is what I'm driving. I'm out in a 5-year-old Maserati, and I'm about to do a takeoff, so my buddy Jay here is going to film this takeoff. So let's just see what she does. So I don't know if you want to clear the road or whatever, but yeah, let's take off. Yeah, continue filming. You can film the road. We are in Kelowna, British Columbia right now. Show the view out here. Continue. You smell that? That's clutch.
Oh yeah?
But that's not bad, doing.
Better watch that chunk of snow there, or ice.
Nice to show the houses along here. Awesome. By clutch, folks, I just meant that you can just smell it just a little bit. Just from the power takeoff. No damage done. Anyways, get through show that way. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so we're at Lacassa Resort in Kelowna, British Columbia, and we're staying at a luxury cottage on the resort property. Apparently there's a hot tub right down the road that we're going to jump into maybe later on. Check out the hot tub, grab a couple drinks. It looks like nobody else is here, so we can enjoy the hot tub, the outside hot tub, just us three. Take some drinks, bring some music. It'll be a good time. See, no more smell now? It was just brief. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Be sure to film that cliff there somehow. Wow. show our place. That's Jay's truck. That's where we're headed. Oh. A little bit tricky to get into reverse. We got her. Last thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a walk around the car while it's still running. You okay, Van? Jay's wife, Van, is in the back seat.
Hello.
All right. Thank you, Jay.
Yeah.
Haha, Jay and his wife, Van. Hi. Hi, YouTube world. Yeah, we're at our place now. I'm just gonna show you the outside of the car. It's extremely dirty right now. And Jay, if you wouldn't mind just taking this, I'm gonna give it a couple revs.
Sure.
Okay, YouTube world. Anyways, yeah, this is Trev from Monthly Missions. And, anyways, hopefully that all recorded. What did you say?
Show the smoker?
Oh, that's a good idea. Just give me a sec. Yeah, so Jay brought his smoker. He's a pro food smoker. He has a few smokers.
Weber Smoky Mountain.
This is Jay's Weber Smoky Mountain. And what is the fuel source?
Charcoal. Charcoal and wood chunks.
And it's gonna be good. Jay brought ribs, pork ribs. Enjoy a feast in a little bit. But I might as well just continue. Jay, can you grab this for a second? You know, gotta turn on. I want to continue filming. I'm gonna take off my boots. If you can just help me take off my boots, I just don't want to shut off the camera. I gotta take off my boots. It's a clean house. Sorry, folks. It will be just a minute. But I figured the same video. I might as well show you the rest. Thanks, Jay.
Yep, no problem.
Thumbs up. Woohoo! So this is Jay and Van's bathroom. Let me just turn on the light. It's weird that the switch is on the outside. Because you can have people screwing with you. Turn off the lights on you while you're in the shower or whatever. Yeah, isn't that weird that the light switch is on the outside and the fan is on the outside?
I keep going in, close the door, and then I have to come out again.
That's their bedroom. Yep, that's their bedroom. Anyways. this, that. And check this out. Between Jay and I cleared off some snow last night. It snowed, but yeah, between Jay and I, we got this kind of cleared out. Jay did mostly 3/4 of it, of clearing this all out so that the sun can hit it. It's out. But this is the deck. All the cushions are drying so that we could enjoy it tonight. Look at this view. Spectacular. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. Beautiful place. Over here, cushion is still drying. But this is one of those things that you light it and it heats up at night. There's flames all through those crystals. So we're in Kelowna, British Columbia. And I got this place rented for a few days. So I might as well show the rest. Trying to make sure that it's clean. I'll close this. Nice little living room spot here. Nice drones. Kitchen. Oh yeah, Jay brought his drones. So we'll have some drone footage to upload. He's already been recording today when it was really beautiful out. But check this out. The one drone, the larger of the drone, is worth how much?
I paid $3,000 for it when it first came out. Now it's about 26, I think.
And then the smaller one?
That one's older, but I paid $650 for that one when it came out too.
And beautiful footage. Jay's recorded some beautiful footage today with the big drone.
5, and the small one's 2K.
2K is in resolution?
Yeah, and the big one's 5.1K with night vision.
With night vision. Yeah. Oh, that's incredible. They brought a whole bunch of food.
I should say night mode.
Night mode?
Yeah.
We have ice on the go, lots of ice, some really good tequila. We got into this tequila last night, and it is top shelf. It is, you don't even need salt and lemon. It's just so smooth. Bunch of food, a little bit of alcohol, mostly food. Life is freaking good. Oh yeah, here's where the washer and dryer is in case Jay and Van need to do a wash before they go. We still have a couple more days left. But yeah, it's nice that there's a washer and dryer right there. And Jay, I didn't even notice if they have laundry soap here. But I have laundry soap with me. Oh yeah, that's what those things are, I think.
Oh yeah.
Laundry soap. And I have bounce sheets with me. Just all from camp and stuff. Anyways, let me take you up to my bedroom. So this is the loft bedroom. Nobody has it. Nobody's been staying in it. I'm just trying to make sure it's all looking perfect. And this is my bedroom. And then my home private washroom up here. But look at this. From up here. Looking down. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Might as well sign off right here. So, yeah. good video, I think. Yeah, I'm quite happy. Nice place, staying in a nice place in Kelowna. And yeah, I have a nice car down there at my disposal, at our disposal. Tomorrow we're going to head into Kelowna, pick up a few things. But yeah, anyways, still here for another couple days. Time to relax tonight and have a few drinks, not go anywhere, and just enjoy life. Take care, everybody. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I have more upcoming interesting videos coming. Take care, you guys.